Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see an accident that occurred in Tamil Nadu. An alto car starts turning left and it's hit by a mini truck. Was it the right place to take the left turn? Absolutely not. So let us explore how we can take this turn safely. Here I am in the faster lane. I want to go to my destination, which is about 400 meters away. I do a shoulder check and see there's nothing on my left, nothing in my back. I start turning left. There is some traffic on my left, so I let the bikers pass safely. I look at my rear view mirror and I see the car is coming, and I'm not sure whether it's going to overtake me or not. But on the right, a biker comes too close to comfort. Once I have established there is a sufficient gap between the car behind me, I start taking left. As I look ahead, I see few stationary vehicles ahead of me. I have to give safe passage to the vehicles who are on my left. I have reached my destination after changing three lanes safely. I have maintained my speed and have not put other drivers at risk. Drive safe, stay safe. Thank you.